Hello, do you know how to round a number to the nearest 100? If you don't, that's why we're here to help you today, so stick around. If I had the number 72, making a number up, would you round that to the nearest 100? So it would either be 100 or would you go back to 0? Now, I'll tell you the answer. You'd round this up to 100. And the reason why is because this number is bigger than 50. And if it's bigger than 50, you round it up. So if I wanted to go 165, right, would you round that to 200 or back to 100? So remember, what happens if this number, the tens, is bigger than 5? Well done, you round it up. So this number would now round to 200, and that is all you do. Okay, so now you do this one yourself. What number do I round this one to? 721, what do I round it to? Yes, really good. You round it back because this is below 5, isn't it? So you round it to 700, and that is all you do. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!